Hello children, and a very warm good morning to all of you. Okay children, so today we are going to do day 20. We are going to do day 20 of our month book 2. So this is day 20 is the last page of our month book 2. Okay children, when we come here on day 20, we have an EVS worksheet page where we have uses of water. What is this? Uses of water. That means where do we use the water? हम पानी को कहाँ कहाँ यूज करते हैं? Earlier we have learned the sources of water. Sources of water कौन कौन से हैं? Rain, river, stream, sea and well. These are all sources of water. मतलब sources of water मतलब हमें पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Now children, uses of water we have earlier also learned. Again we are going to learn them. So we mainly use water for drinking, bathing, farming, hand cleaning, washing clothes and washing utensils, to put out fire, for cooking and for watering the plants. Now children, we have learned the importance of water. पानी बहुत जरूरी होता है. We cannot live without water. Not only us. सिर्फ हम लोग नहीं, even the plants, the animals, the insects, the birds, all of us need water. So we have to save the water. Okay children, so here you have the same thing, you have the uses of water. So you have to learn the uses of water. You see the picture and learn it. That is, water is used for drinking, water is used for bathing, then for cooking, washing and watering the plants. Okay children, now moving on to the next page here, we have again a EVS worksheet to color the pictures. But what we have to color? We have to color those animals and creatures that we see during the rainy season. Now first we see the cat. We can see cat in all the season, right? Now the earthworm. We see earthworm mainly during the rainy season. ज़्यादातर हमें वो बारिश के सीजन में दिखते हैं. This is the mouse. Mouse भी हमें दिखता है. This is the snail. But snail also we see mainly during the rainy season. Then is the frog. Frog भी बारिश के दिनों में बहुत दिखते हैं. And the dog. Dog तो हमें हमेशा ही वैसे भी दिखते हैं. So we have to color the earthworm, snail and frog. So आपने यहाँ पे earthworm, snail और frog को color करना है. These are the insects and the creatures जो हमें बारिश के दिनों में ज्यादा दिखते हैं. Now moving on to the another page, again you have a EVS worksheet page of days of the week. Now we know that there are 7 days in the week. So how many days make a week? 7 days make a week. So first here we have a small introduction of the days of the week. Okay, so we have a small rhyme. Monday alone, Tuesday together, Wednesday we walk when it is fine weather, Thursday we laugh, Friday we pray, Saturdays are seem almost to fly, but of all the day we call Sunday, the rest day, the best day of all. Yes, very good children. We all like Saturday and Sunday, right? Because Saturday, Sunday is a weekend. Okay children, now here in the book is given the order. There is the order of the days of the week. So Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. So this is the 7 days of the week. And here is given the order in which we say that first is one is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, 6 is Saturday and Sunday is the 7th day. Okay children. Okay children, now turning on to the next page, we have a craft activity, that is paper crumbling and sticking on the fruit strawberry. There is a picture of a strawberry and we have to do the paper crumbling. Okay children, now for paper crumbling we need the crepe paper. This is the crepe paper. So what you have to do is, you have to cut and make the pieces of the paper. So I have already done the pieces of the paper. If you do make the pieces, so what will it do? You can make the ball of the same size. Now what is crumbling means? Crumbling means we are taking the paper and just squeezing it and making a ball out of it. Okay children, now I am going to show you how to make it. So what I have done is, I have taken the glue and I put a few drops of water, and then I took the paper. I just dip my finger in this paper, in the glue mixture of glue and water, and then I'm just crumbling it. So when you crumble it, what is this? Now it is a type of fine motor skill, because you are using your index finger and your thumb to crumble it. Okay children, so in this way you have to first make all the balls. So before you take it, you just dip your hand into the glue mixture and then you have to crumble it. So in this way you have to make the small balls. So this is the way I have made the balls. And please children, you can also do it. You need the help when you have to cut the paper. So because the scissor is not safe for children, so you can ask your parents to help you to cut out the paper into pieces. Then you can even help your parents to make the balls. Okay children, now I have already made different color balls. I've used the purple, the pink and the green. Okay, now strawberry is red in color, but I am using here pink color as I could not find the red. So it is better if you get the red color. Now I have already made the balls here. So, and this is the way you have to cut the papers and then make the balls. Okay children, now after making all the balls, you have to just use the glue and stick it. Now can you see the design inside the strawberry? So what I have done, I have just, because in the strawberry we have the yellow color thing, so that's the seeds. So what I have done, I have just used, instead of that I have used the purple color. So very you can see this design. I am just putting the glue and I am sticking the balls over here. So this is the way you have to stick. Of course you need your elders to help you out while sticking also, but you have to do it also. That doesn't mean that only mummy is going to do it. You have to learn, because this is also, as I told, this is a type of fine motor skill, because you are using your index finger and your thumb to crumble it. Now I am even going to show you how I have made the leaves. So you just it is going to take some time. So I have already done before I started. I've just showed you how to do it, and this is the way we finish up with the picture. So this is a paper crumbling and sticking on the fruit strawberry. So children, you all have to do this activity with the help of your parents. Okay children, now this was day 20. Day 20 means that we have come to the end of the month book 2. So now we have completed with the month book 2. हमारी month book 2 complete हो गई है. And you have to do all this work. You have to finish up with this work in the book. But that doesn't mean that we are not going to do the revision. हमें revision करते रहना है. You have to say, revise all the rhymes. That is Hindi and English. Then you have to say the phonic sounds of all the letters you have learned. You have to even practice writing the letters also. That is the capital and the small letters we have learned from capital A and small a to capital H and small h. We have also done numbers till 1, 5, 15. So you have to do the revision. Okay children, that is all. Okay, bye bye and take care.